Data sharing. The caregiver is anyone who is deeply concerned about our well-being and consistently strives to monitor our health and condition. This might be a worried mother monitoring her child at school. It could be a son who is currently traveling and needs to remotely monitor his father. Nowadays, caregivers can easily monitor our well-being in real time without any complexity or the need for extra apps. The caregiver can also be a person who uses ADEX to track their personal health. Meanwhile, he can also monitor the condition of someone else. ADEX application provides this important feature within the same application. All that is required is for the caregiver to have the ADEX application installed on their mobile device. And they can follow the same steps we explained earlier, except for the transmitter pairing step. This is in case they don't use a sensor for themselves and only want to monitor another user's data. To share my glucose data with someone else, I need to have their email address associated with their account. Then follow the next steps. From the home screen of our application, click on Personal Settings, and then select Follow, Share. You will be prompted with two options: Sharing, Following. Select Sharing. Click the Share account. A new page will open. Enter the follower's account, which is the caregiver's associated email account with whom we want to share our data. You may also want to add a nickname to him. Click Save. The application will start to look for their account. You can verify the correct account by confirming their account avatar. Now we have completed the process of sharing our data with a caregiver's account. From the caregiver's side, home screen, they navigate to their personal center and then select Follow, Share. However, here they select Following. They will find our own account listed along with three options. They can accept or reject to monitor our data. They can choose to accept or decline receiving our common alarm notifications. This means that if we have an alarm for low or high glucose, they will also receive those notifications if they accept this option. Furthermore, the caregiver can opt to receive notifications in case of our urgent low blood glucose alarm alerts. We all understand the significance of the sharing feature, so it's essential to ensure that all the sharing options in the caregiver's app are enabled. Please note, both our device and the caregiver's device require an internet connection to share data, and the caregiver must have internet access to monitor our condition from anywhere. This video serves to provide insights into the functionality of the ADEX continuous glucose monitoring system. It is essential not to disregard any signs or symptoms associated with high or low glucose levels. In the event that your glucose alerts and sensor glucose readings do not align with your expected symptoms, it is strongly recommended to verify your glucose levels using a standard blood glucose meter. Consult with your healthcare provider for guidance on diabetes management and treatment. Diabetes Cloud. Live with freedom.